Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, yes, Siddharth. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
Siddharth.
Thank you.
Okay, so we are audible to you? Are we audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so this you're appearing for like which particular PSU? IOCL.
Now I'm appearing for IOCL, sir.
Okay, you want to go for the snap based on IOCL, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we start now?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay, okay. So Siddharth, let us start with your introduction first.
Yes, sir. So I am Siddharth Sankarrath, and I am hailing from the temple city and Ekamra Kshetra of Odisha, that is Bhubaneswar. And I did my schooling here from Bhubaneswar itself. And I got graduated from College of Engineering and Technology in Bhubaneswar in the year of 2019 with the CGPA of 8.78. And my final year project include a box transport mechanism.
Hmm. So what are you doing presently?
So currently, I am doing masters from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras.
Masters MS or MTech?
MTech, sir.
MTech in
In mechanical design specializations.
mechanical design from IIT Madras.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So, Siddharth, so since you have already joined MTech at IIT Madras, and
Yes,
that too in a very good branch, right?
yes, sir.
So, why do you thinking of like joining IUCL? You could have a very
Sir,
good career in private sector, that is green field.
Sir, when I started my preparation for GATE to 2019, at that time my dream was to join any PSU. So, and due to this coronavirus situation that appeared this year in 2020, for this only, due to this uncertain situation, I joined the MTech course. Otherwise, I would not have joined.
Okay, so this is just for the like sake of like having this. Otherwise, you have joined PSU. That is how you are thinking of, right?
Yes, sir, because in last year,
Don't you think you're wasting one seat? Don't you think you're wasting one seat over there?
sir, this is the story of
Don't
every
you
year,
think
sir.
today?
Every year students are wasting seat of MTech, and moreover, IITs have started inducting more number of students, and the winter admission is also taking place in the IITs to fill up all the vacancies.
Okay, so you don't think that this is something wastage of resources of government? It's okay,
Uh,
right?
so that may be a wastage, but that's not in our hand to control that.
Okay, so but why? Okay, let's move further a little bit further. So why
Yes, sir.
specifically only IUCL you want to join? You told us that you had a dream of joining PSU, right? Right now, this is an ad hoc arrangement that you have made of joining IIT.
Yes,
But
sir.
why you dreamt of like PSUs? Why you want to join PSUs, particularly IUCL?
So the reason for selecting IOCL is that IOCL is the best employer, sir, and IOCL always takes care of his employees, and IOCL the work-life balance that IOCL could give, I think it cannot be possible with other PSUs, and moreover, the perks and salaries are also very attractive. That's my reason for which I will be joining the IOCL.
Do you have any kind of idea about the job profile in IUCL?
Sir, moreover, I know that there are about 7 divisions in IOCL. There are refinery division, pipeline division, marketing division, and some more other R&D division also. But if honestly speaking, I am not very much aware about the job profile. But I am aware that most of my seniors have told me that after getting selected in the IOCL, we will be posted in moreover in refinery or marketing division, sir, as per the requirement.
So that means even after doing your this BTech in mechanical engineering,
Yes,
You
sir.
are okay with the marketing profile in IOCL?
Uh, yes, I think there is no problem with me to join any sector. I can join any sector. There is no problem with me for marketing division. I can handle the job good. That's what I feel, sir.
But you are not ready for that. But that's what I think. You are not ready for marketing. You are ready for technicalities, not for marketing.
Uh, so may I know the reason, sir, why you're saying? Because I think that I can cope up with each and every job that that I will be told to do. So may I know the reason, sir?
Okay. So Vishal sir, do you have any question?
Yes, Siddharth, you mentioned ki there are different divisions of IOCL.
Yes,
If
sir.
IOCL will give you opportunity, what do you know about distillation? Suppose you need to work in distillation plant. So tell me brief about that. Obviously, you don't know about actual distillation process, but tell me brief
Yes.
about how we will get like gasoline from crude oil.
Sir, the crude oil that is taken to the refinery is of no use, is of no use to use directly. So we go through the fractional distillation process in which it will be heated, and the crude oil will release vapors, and the distillation process will thereafter continue. As far as my knowledge is concerned, I think that around 400 degrees centigrade, if we distillate the vapor will convert to a fuel oil liquid, and thereafter around 250 to 300 degrees centigrade, it will convert into diesel. If we distillate at that point of time, and if we distillate it around 170 to 250 degrees centigrade, we'll be getting kerosene, and thereafter around 40 to 250 degrees centigrade we'll be getting petroleum, and above that we will be
Petroleum,
getting
petroleum, or petrol,
sorry, gasoline.
gasoline.
Gasoline. Gasoline.
At what temperature you are saying?
40 to 250, 40 to 170, sir, I think. 40 to
40.
170 degrees centigrade. 40 degrees centigrade to 170 degrees centigrade.
Okay, okay. That is very wide range you are saying actually. Uh,
As below the kerosene, I think it's around 100 to 170, we can say it. Because
yes.
around 40, around 40, I think LPG gas will be coming.
Okay, fine, fine. Yes, below that 40 you will have that. Acha, tell me something, because your project is something related to transportation, box transport, although it is not related to transportation of these fuels.
Yes.
But I want to ask you something about that. Through this particular transportation system, can you tell me about a brief how we transport CNG?
Uh, So, as far as CNG is concerned, I think the transportation of CNG can be done in some container, and through mobile containers we can do it, and moreover we can do it through pipelines also, sir. I think, sir.
Yes, I want to know about that pipeline. You know about that key? What is the difference between like that piping system which you use for oil transmission, liquid oil and gas? You know something about that? What is the difference? Basic difference?
So the basic difference is in pipeline for oil, we have to look about the conditions for the feasible conditions that are required to transport the oil properly inside a pipeline, because there are some losses that we could incur, and we cannot also calculate the required power that is required to transport the oil. And moreover, I think that we will be going through a laminar. We will be using the laminar flow to transport the liquid oil. And as far as gas is concerned, we will be. It is compressible, and the density of gas will increase. May increase or may decrease. That we could do that, so we could use that to transport the gas.
Okay. Can you tell me about cetane number? What is cetane number, and what is its significance, importance?
So certain number is the NTNOC characteristics that is used for a compressed ignition engine. and it is done through normal cetane, that is C16H34, and I think alpha methyl naphthalene, that is there, and normal cetane is having around a rating of 100 of antinok characteristics, and as far as alpha methyl naphthalene is concerned, it's having 0. It's a particular number which should denote that which should behave as the same as that of that percentage of normal cetane.
Siddharth, are you sure about that? You have mentioned that cetane number is a measure of anti-knocking index or anti-knocking tendency. Is it right to say? What do you think?
Sir, I think it's correct, sir.
Okay, then what is octane number?
So it's the anti-knocking characteristics used for spark ignition engines, which is measured.
Anti-knocking tendency will be same, na? Octane number you can define for diesel fuel also, and cetane number you can define for petrol fuel also. Yes or no? Can you
Yes, sir,
define?
we can define that.
Can
Yes,
you
sir, we can
define
define that.
cetane number for petrol?
No, sir.
Okay, we can define.
Sir, I can answer it. This is because the petroleum product, the gasoline is of the range of C5. I think carbon structure 5 to carbon structure 8 is there, and moreover the diesel products, as far as those are concerned, that is around C16 to C18, sir. So I think we use
Actually,
two
Siddharth,
different numbers.
Actually,
Yes, sir.
Siddharth, why I'm asking you this question? Because cetane number, if you will measure for diesel, the cetane number is
Yes.
in the range of, you can say 55 or in that range. Okay, octane number is different. What do you think? Octane number and cetane number for diesel fuel, they are same?
No, sir.
They are different. So if both
Yes.
are measuring, anti-knocking tendency, then number required will be same. Yes or no? If both octane number and cetane number both are measuring anti-knocking characteristics, then both are required to be same. What do you think?
Yes, both may be same, but sir, I think that the bulkiness of the fuel of in the range of gasoline and diesel, sir, I think that is different, sir. So that's why we use two different terms for cetane and octane numbers.
Okay, so Siddharth,
Yes,
have you
sir.
heard about Bharat stage norms,
Yes, sir.
which is being implemented right now in India?
It's BS6 that is being implemented. Correct.
Okay, so what were the changes that were made in the fuel, automotive fuels, when these norms were implemented?
So moreover, the changes there was not any bigger changes made, but the concentration of sulfur that was there earlier, it was reduced from 50%, which was there in the BS4, to 10% in BS6,
Mhm.
as far as I recall.
Okay, so what do you think that this challenge these companies, oil companies, may have faced by the implementation of this stage, Bharat stage 6, particularly because there was skipping of Bharat stage 5?
Yes, sir. It's the oil companies would have tried to reduce the concentration of sulfur. Moreover, I think to switch on directly from BS4 to BS6 would have been a problem for the oil companies.
What kind of problem? That's what I am asking. What, as per you, could have been the challenges that these companies might have
I
faced?
think they would be having some stocks of BS4 petrol, and the technology required for to manufacture this BS6 petroleum products will be different. So
Okay,
that might be a problem.
since you are already doing your MTech in design at
Yes, sir.
IIT Madras,
Yes, sir.
what design changes do you think in the exhaust system may have taken place because of these changes in fuel, or maybe for implementation of this particular BS6 now? Not only fuel, let us say fuel is just one part. So, what do you think, as per you, the changes in the exhaust system that might automakers may have implemented because of this Bharat 6 norms?
The engine, I think the fuel will be the sulfur content is going to decrease, so there has to be a change in the engine size. I think um, uh, engine size may have to be increased, and moreover, the as far as the exhaust part is considered, then I think it's not a big change is required there, but the sulfur emission there will be little bit change in catalytic converters, sir. That's what I
So,
feel.
as per you, that means it has been very easy for the automakers.
No, sir, that
If
would
sulfur
not have
change
been
is
that
made
much
by the
easy.
oil companies, if sulfur change is made by the oil companies, so that means nothing is left out for those automakers. Because if they don't have to make any kind of significant change in their design, it's
Yes,
very
sir.
easy for them. And why they were making so much noise then?
I think, mm, sir, I'm not having any detailed idea, but as far as as far as my knowledge is concerned, then I think that no basic change, no major change would have been taken place as far as BS3 to BS4 transition is concerned.
BS4 to BS6 transition.
No, sir. The change that BS3 to BS4 that took place earlier, that now this change BS5 BS4 to BS6 would not have been that much major. I think, sir. Some minute changes will be there, sir.
Okay, so can you let me know the energy profile of India and
Uh,
where does IOCL fit in it?
Sir, IOCL, as far as my knowledge is concerned, I think IOCL is having about more than 1/4 of share in all the oil companies,
Mhm.
and moreover, 46% of around petrol filling stations are of IOCL, and 11 out of 12, 23 refineries are of IOCL, and around 8, I think. Uh,
Okay, so can you let me know, Siddharth? Can you let me know some of the big oil fields, crude oil fields in India?
Sir, sorry, sir, I'm not having any idea.
You don't have any idea. Okay,
No, sir.
okay. So okay, Vishal sir, if you're having any question.
Yes, Siddharth, just tell me something about what you know about IOCL. Any 2, 3 information if you can define?
Yes, sir, IOCL is making products of gasoline and diesel, kerosene, and for aviation fuels, and bitumen, LPG gas, and Indian gas. And moreover, as Indian gas is concerned, it comes in around 5 kg, 14.2 kg, and 19 kg, and around 45 kg for industrial uses. And there are basically 7 divisions of IOCL. And in Odisha, there is a refinery of IOCL in Paradip, and it had a annual turnover of more than around 5,66,000 crore turnover in the year financial year of 2019 and 2020. This much, sir.
Acha, you have mentioned something about aviation fuel. What is
Yes,
that?
sir.
What is that?
Sir, that is used in the aircrafts in the aircraft sector, sir. The
Is it
aircraft uses those fuels for their purpose.
different from gasoline?
Yes, sir. I think yes. Sorry. Yes, sir. It's gasoline only, but mm, I think that there would have been any small changes to accommodate the requirements that is required in the aircraft sector.
Okay, so it is a form of gasoline only with some additives. What you can say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा एक TEL होता है, you know about that TEL, that is a one of additive which you use in aviation fuel.
Sorry, sir, no idea, sir.
Acha, tetraethyl lead. You know what is that? Why we use it?
No, sir, I have not heard, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about your favorite subject and
Sir,
your
my
hobby
favorite
also.
subjects include, sir.
Your hobby also. Which type of thing actually you spend in your free time? Where you
Sir,
spend your
my hobbies include cycling, playing cricket, and watching cricket. And my favorite subjects are strength of material and fluid mechanics.
okay. So fluid mechanics, strength of material, and third one, what do you mention?
Third one, you can take it to be thermodynamics, I see.
Thermodynamics. Okay.
And heat
Uh,
transfer also, if you use.
heat transfer and thermodynamics. Okay.
So most of your subjects are from thermal side, where you are following this MTech in design. Why is it so?
Yes.
My most favorite subject is strength of material, and then I keep second to fluid mechanics. And strength of material, you can take it also machine design and theory of machines parts.
Okay, so in machine design, okay, what you are learning over there? So what is the most significant learning that you are having in the machine design over there in IIT Madras?
So recently, I think we are going through three subjects as far as this semester is concerned. As this is my first semester, and we are going through theory of vibration as a subject, and the second subject is the design with advanced engineering materials, and the third one
Design
is
with,
design
sorry,
with
can you repeat?
design with advanced engineering materials.
Okay.
And the third one is computational methods in engineering. As far as my view is concerned, the design with advanced engineering materials subject is purely new to all the graduates, and it deals with the type of material that we have to choose and the selection for a random particular job that we have to do, and the constraints that we have to take on and the objective that we have to fix while designing and designing one particular one particular thing and choosing the material for that. And in theory of vibration, we read about the damping and about it's more or less similar to the theory of vibration that we've read in graduation as and the module 4, I think what our professor said is going to be a level up from the graduation. And in computational methods of engineering, we read about RK Rangikuta methods and the first implementation of Rangikuta methods through MATLAB, sir.
Mhm. Okay, so can we check your understanding of strength of material? Some of the questions from there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in strength of material, you are having this true stress strain curve, right?
Yes, sir.
And conventional stress strain curve also.
Sorry, sir.
Conventional stress strain curve also,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir. Engineering stresses. Yes, sir.
And most of the time we talk about the conventional stress strain, not the true stress strain.
Yes, sir.
Why is it so?
So it's because the true stress strain deals with the instantaneous dimensions, and the engineering stress strain deals with the dimension that we took initially, and the true stress strain also deals with uh, it's a I think it deals with time, sir, because as far as when the load when a load is acted upon a particular object, then its dimension is definitely going to change, and it will be difficult for us to concentrate on true stress strain.
Mhm. Okay, so I think Vishal sir, you can just go ahead with the mechanics.
Yes. I want to ask you only one question from heat transfer.
Yes.
Siddharth, you know about Dittus-Boulter equation? What is that and where we use?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I'm not.
Okay, try to recall. If I give you some options, like because students are now they search in options now, option A, B, C, D. Yeah. So so is it we use in case of plate, pipe, laminar flow, turbulent flow? I think in this manner you will have four options.
So actually, I have not heard about this, so I
Okay,
think it's not better to comment on this.
okay, fine.
Okay. So okay, I think then we can give the feedback, right?
Yes, we can give, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So Vishal sir, please your area. Then I
Yes,
will.
yes. Siddharth, why first? My first question is to you: why you are so much serious? You are looking cool and composed. It is fine, but थोड़े ज्यादा serious लग रहे हो आप. अभी तो यार हम सबको तो जानते हो ना, ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
बड़ा इतना इतना बोझ, आपको थोड़ा सा प्रेशर लग रहा है, वो मत लो. बिल्कुल कूल कूल रहो, है ना. और
Okay,
वो सीरियसनेस इतना सीरियसनेस नहीं मत दिखाओ, है ना. तो
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा इसको ठीक करो. और यू हैव रोंगली आंसर्ड वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चंस.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The
Certain
certain
number,
numbers, sir.
है ना, certain number, that
Yes.
is actually not right. TEL you are not defined. This Dirichlet-Volter equation you are not defining. You're doing very basic mistake. And the reason,
Yes.
if you will explore, it is not, reason is not that you don't know about these things. You know, but
Yes,
I
sir.
think you're feeling some pressure of this interview, है ना, IOCL.
Yes, sir. It might be
So
so.
ये थोड़ा कम करो, है ना. देखो,
Okay, sir.
what is the basic difference between cetane number and octane number? Octane number is a measure of anti-knocking tendency.
Yes, sir.
Cetane number is a
Okay.
measure of the quality, combustion quality of a fuel, you can say. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Although it is indirectly related to that, but we say
Yes,
that
sir.
cetane number is a measure of combustion quality. You can say but changing the cetane number, the delay period of the fuel will change.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is better if you will say combustion quality, not anti-knocking tendency. Anti-knocking tendency word you can use with
Octane.
octane number. ठीक है. तो ये बिल्कुल बेसिक मिस्टेक है जो नहीं होनी चाहिए. बहुत बेसिक कॉमन क्वेश्चन है जो नहीं होना चाहिए. Second, tetraethyl, that is a very common thing na. We use lead to increase anti-knocking tendency, but nowadays it is banned, totally banned. We cannot use this in automobile fuel.
Order, yes.
But aviation we use, aviation में हम use करते हैं इसको आज भी, TEL को.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. To increase the anti-knocking tendency only, because this particular substance TEL, it's a very good quality to increase the anti-knocking
Yes, yes.
tendency, na? And it is very cheap as compared to other additives which we add
Yes,
in
sir.
fuel to increase its anti-knocking tendency. But you know,
Yes.
there are so many effects of this lead into the environment. That's why it is nowadays banned. ठीक है.
Yes, yes.
तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Very common thing. Yes or no?
Yes, yes. Sir, I got the answer, but I thought it would be wrong, sir. So I thought to not.
Okay. So transportation you have not studied, I think. Transportation आपने study नहीं किया है बिल्कुल भी fuel का.
No,
नहीं
sir.
किया ना?
I'm not studying. No, sir.
तो थोड़ा सा उसको पढ़ो, बेसिक पढ़ो कि how we actually transport vehicle transportation, that is different thing. ठीक है. पाइपलाइन से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन हम कैसे करते हैं, how we transport fuel,
Okay, sir.
liquid fuel and
Okay.
gaseous fuel. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
डिस्टिलेशन का आपने कुछ बेसिक पढ़ा है, that I
Yes,
got an impression कि आपने पढ़ा है तभी आप उसका बता पाए. ठीक है.
Yes,
तो
sir.
वो आप थोड़ा सा उसको, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम डिस्टिलेशन, फ्रॉम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन and the different marketing profile that sir is asking you, how you will
Yes,
cope
sir.
up with that different profile, because actually you are a technical guy. ठीक है. So you
Yes,
need to
sir.
justify how you are suitable for that profile also. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
सो मेरे को जो इम्प्रेशन लगा आज, थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं आप डिलीवर नहीं कर पाए, है ना. तो वो प्रेशर नहीं लेना है बिल्कुल. यू आर ए गुड
Okay, sir.
कैंडिडेट सिद्धार्थ. एंड
Yes.
तभी आप IIT मद्रास में बहुत कम बच्चे पहुंच पाते हैं ना. यू आर हैविंग ए वेरी गुड स्कोर, गेट स्कोर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो जस्ट आपको उसको कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
तो देखो,
Yes.
ये ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको नौकरी चाहिए, है ना, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप उसको इसके लिए इतना प्रेशर ले लोगे तो फिर आप डिलीवर नहीं कर पाओगे ना.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So don't take that much pressure. Try
Yes.
to deliver, try to you can say what you know, anything like any information which you know, so try to deliver that only. Okay. So
Yes, yes. Okay.
this is my suggestion from my side.
Thank you, sir.
And revise basic things. Okay.
Yes.
Remaining all Saklani sir will discuss with you.
Yes.
Okay, Siddharth. So I think first thing that Vishal sir also noted down, you don't seem to be expressive, right? You're answering, but as you know, when you say something, expressions also change. You seem
Yes,
to
sir.
be like
Of
very
course.
serious, so
Bilkul.
you have to be a little expressive. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So because if someone has to judge you, he will judge by your expressions also, like how you are responding. But whether it's a serious thing or not, or something that way, so you are just okay. Calm and compose is something different. try to be little interactive. Okay, that is
Okay,
what you
sir.
need to do. Okay, that means kind of you need to show energy when you answer.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, so let me just start with the very first questions that I asked you about, like you joining MTech in IIT Madras, and I asked you that you're not wasting your seat over there. You're wasting one seat over there, but you
Yes.
answered in a very negative way, which you are not supposed to.
Okay, sir.
You said that okay, situation demands it. This is how the recruitment didn't took place, but situation demand you joined it over there. But you should not answer that. Okay, every year this
All students are wasting state.
students join, they leave it. So that is that is not what you need to answer. You are not a policy maker or something that way, right?
Okay, sir.
So you should have uh, a little answered it in a very different way. You may have
Okay.
answered that okay because I was since dedicatedly preparing for PSU, but since because of COVID situation, all the things got delayed. In the meantime, I got the opportunity in IIT Madras and design, and okay, so that is not in my hand or in our hand. So now it is not that I am enjoying the course over there. It's a very good course, and I'm also getting exposed to many new things. So even
Okay.
if let us say I have to leave the course in between, the question could be framed this way also, that you have to leave the course in between. So you say, okay, even if I have to leave the course in between, I have gained something which otherwise I may not have, because I don't know which was the college you were having, some other college. So I got exposed to the IT system also. I came to know how the things go over there and research activity and all those. So I think
Yes, sir.
that kind of learning I can definitely contribute over here.
Take away
So
from my
put
child.
it on the positive
Yes, sir.
frame, right? You're not supposed to answer that way. Okay, why you want to join IOCL? I think this is more or less a kind of answer that you may have prepared. Okay, since you had a feedback from your like seniors and all that, because
Yes.
good job profile and all that. But again, their question came that okay, you are having different profiles, and I linked the question that you may put into the marketing profile over there.
Yes, sir.
So see, so there you got like again, okay, I will, and you can say, okay, I know that when you get into a particular industry, you are having various type of profiles,
Yes,
and
sir.
over a period of time, this is how you need to answer this. Over a period of time, I think what I think and what I know is that when people enter into that industry, they are exposed to the different domains. It is
Yes.
not like if you are put into like marketing profile at the very beginning, you will remain in marketing. It is not the way things go. When you
Yes.
move up the ladder, you're exposed to many other areas. So we'll say that, okay, even if I may be new to the marketing, which is not my basic knowledge part, but definitely I will be exposed to new things over there. I will learn something new. And
Yes.
that is required if you have to move up the ladder. So
Yes.
all things you have to put in a positive way.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. I'm getting, sir.
Right? So whether it is a marketing, whether it is a maintenance, whether it is a kind of this, you have to link this way. Then I think I asked one question related to energy profile of India.
Yes, sir.
Energy profile means how, from what are the sources of energy in India you are having. So first overall idea you need to give: thermal,
Okay, sir.
solar,
Yes,
hydel, etc. And then specifically you can answer. If you talk in terms of like oil and all that segment, that is way you can relate it further, right? Then
okay,
oil fields, you
okay.
should know that big oil fields like you are having Assam, then you are having Krishna Godavari basin, right? Then you are having Badmer
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in like Kane energy that is producing over there, right?
Yes,
Then
sir.
one more question I related to you was related to this Bharat Stage 6. Bharat Stage
Yes,
6 is important because you are appearing for IOCL interview. So there
yes,
they
sir.
can definitely relate because it is related to fuels. Some things you are able to relate, but I think you need to search for some more content.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are
Definitely, sir.
not knowing anything, so I think it is not better. It is not good to bluff. Many things you try to relate, but you could not relate. For
Yes,
example, okay, sulfur you are knowing. So when I ask you what challenges IOCL may have faced with respect to the changing from phase this stage 4 to 6. So one is technological challenge.
yes, sir.
because you have to not only sulfur is one of them. You have to other particles, like kind of, I think nitrogen also, some kind of this way, something other also, you go through that. So that means
Yes.
technological challenges over there, and also at the same time, if you have to go for the technology taking from someone, obviously you have
Okay,
not
sir.
developed it, so a lot of
Yes.
money will be involved, and skipping
Yes.
one stage means a huge investment. So they may
Yes.
have incurred a huge investment, thousands and thousands of crore, in order to switch over from that. Same
Yes.
way, I related this question to you, that you are in design, something related to automakers. See, they had to make significant change in the exhaust system, particularly in the catalytic converter.
Yes, sir.
Because exhaust, for example, oxides of nitrogen, they are coming out from that. You have to limit that.
Yes.
So either they have to increase the size. You just bluffed about the engine only. I'm not sure whether how much changes they may have made in the engine.
Zabardast.
At least,
I thought, sir, the power required to run the engine, so that could definitely
okay,
decrease.
so just go through that also. Okay,
Yes,
if
sir.
there are some kind of changes that have been made in the changes, it is not required that you should have very deep knowledge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Overall knowledge, okay, they may have done the changes in the engine also, but that should be the proper. It is not that no change has taken place in, and you are bluffing something. Exhaust
Okay,
system,
Zabardast.
definitely catalytic converter is the part where you
Now,
have to maintain the regulate the exhaust emissions. So that is also a challenge, time taking process, right? So it was a challenge because time given was not that much, because government skipped immediately, and when you had
Yes.
to bring Bharat stage 5, immediately they came up with 6. So it was a lot of challenge,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So just go through that, and okay, they can also ask some question related to your subjects which you are currently studying
Yeah, okay,
at
sir.
IT.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so I think you should be prepared with that. And one basic question I ask you about the song. I ask you about the conventional stress strain diagram and true stress strain diagram, and why most of the time we use conventional stress strain diagram. Uh, I think I could not get the proper answer from your side. That's what I think. You were trying to relate, but whether you gave that answer proper or not, I am a little doubtful. See, I hope you have studied about this metal forming processes.
Yes.
Metal forming process.
Hello.
Yes,
Am I
Siddharth,
audible?
am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in case of metal forming processes, we make use of true stress, true strain concepts. Plastic deformation region.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whereas in strength of material, most of the time we are talking about conventional stress strain concepts.
Yes, sir.
Because in strength of material, mostly our focus is basically that we don't want to go. We don't talk about the plastic region. We mostly talk about the materials which are getting deformed within the elastic limit. And there,
Yeah.
deformation is not that much. And if deformation is not that much, true stress and stress strain diagram overlap.
Yes, sir.
Plastic region, there is a significant change. So we have to make use of. So try to answer that way. Okay. So I think these are small. I think, see, in when you go for the interview, the questions come at a random, like very randomly.
Yes, sir.
Anything will be asked, right?
Yes.
So just brush up when you go for the interview. Just brush up the basic concept, because you have already studied those concepts. And whatever the areas that I told you, just go through them. And Vishal sir also highlighted.
Okay.
And try to be a little expressive. I think that will be okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So anything else, Siddharth?
Sir, can you please rate me, sir, out of 10, sir?
Rating? I should not rate based on today's interview, okay?
Yes.
Because
And it is not
you go
required,
through,
Siddharth. Be
just-
confident. Yes.
Okay,
just
sir.
go through those
Okay.
concepts again, and let's see, because there is always a scope of improvement.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this interview, you committed some mistakes.
Yes, sir.
Maybe in next interview, you may not commit, right?
Yes.
If you pay attention to those details.
Yes.
So it's
Okay.
improvement. But as I told you, you're a good, as Vishal sir also told you, you're a good candidate, potential you're having. Just small changes that you have to make, just go for those changes and don't be confident. There is nothing like something negative. There are many questions which I ask you out of the box, something which you are not ready for that. right?
Yes, yes.
Sometimes it can happen. So if you are not something which you are not aware of, let's say you cannot
Yes,
answer anything, then you can simply say, okay, I'm sorry, perhaps I'm not aware about that, right?
yes.
Okay, okay, Siddharth. Okay, all the best,
Okay.
sir. See you. Bye.
Yes,
Thank you.
Siddharth, only I want to say one thing,
Yes, sir.
Siddharth.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sometime,
Definitely.
sometime only 2 seconds are sufficient to hit.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So if you will
Yes,
pay
sir.
attention, if you will think of that कि I want, I need to perform well, है ना? So if
Yes,
you will
sir.
think over that, you will able to perform. You are a good candidate, Siddharth. So don't think of the rating and all that. कि how I performed in today's interview. So how much, how I will perform in like you are having interview. I think only after 2-3 days, na? Okay.
Thursday, sir. Yes, sir. Thursday.
Thursday you are having. Okay, so don't think of that interview, but just perform. Try to think of key. Yes, I want to give my just give your best, है ना? Just this is only one line what I can say. Give
Yes,
your
sir.
100%, है ना?
Okay.
So
Yes.
that is and best of luck from my side.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you're having on this Thursday. You're
Yes, sir.
having
5th
interview on
of.
this Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, then be ready. Just pay attention to the small changes. Okay.
yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बस और ये एक हिम्मत होती है ना कि करना है बस, है ना? वो जब एक आ जाएगा
For that.
तो that will be good.
Yes, sir.
ठीक, okay. Yes, now Siddharth, you can leave.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All the best. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Hello,
Apur.
sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, Apur.
Good afternoon. Okay, so Apur, when do you have that interview for ISL?
Sir, it is on 5th of November, sir.
Okay. Okay, so shall we start this now this mock?
Yes, sir. We can go with it.
Okay, okay. So Apur, let us start with your introduction first. So you can go ahead with your introduction.
Okay. So hello, sir. My name is Apur Mittal, and I belong to a small town called Mathura, which is in Uttar Pradesh. I completed my BTech from VIT University Vellore in mechanical engineering, and there I did my summer training in Paradeep Refinery. After that, I got campus placed in Satyam Ventures Engineering Services, and after working there for about 10 months, in 2019 I resigned from the company to solely prepare for GATE examination. I like to. I think I am a quick learner, and I like to learn new things. And I always try to do my work with a little bit of perfection and as per rules. Thank you.
So, Apur, what you learned during your working in that Satyam Maldives refinery? Somewhere
You have done
you
it.
Yes, sir. I did my summer training in Paradeep Refinery, sir.
Okay.
It is a refinery of IOCL only.
Okay, so what you learned during your summer training?
Sir, actually, in the beginning, it was a 1 month internship actually.
Okay.
So in the beginning, we had an orientation program where I visited different units and learned about it was a brief introduction about the working of and processing of refinery.
Okay.
And after that, I was taken to a mechanical workshop where I was given knowledge about different types of pumps, different types of valves, and their positioning, assembly, and there were different types of machines that were kept, like lathe machine and all. So yeah, that was a whole experience, sir.
Okay. Tell me something about your experience in that your job in Satyam also. What
Yes,
type
sir.
of job
So,
profile you are having?
Yes. So I was inducted in Satyam Venture Engineering Services, sir, in December 2018. So my designation was graduate engineer trainee, and my work was related to a software known as Hypermesh. So what we do in that software is basically Satyam Venture, my company, was dealing with the automotive body part panels and its analysis, strength analysis. So the thing is that this Hypermesh software will help us to do that same analysis on the computer instead of doing it in real time environment. So now the main thing that comes to me, the main task that was given to me was to automate these analysis programs on a separate programming language called TCL/TK. So basically, in short, if I say, my work was to write codes for the back end of the Hypermesh software so that the analysis can be done automatically. Yes, sir. That was the.
Okay, so that means your main job was writing codes and all that, right? You're saying that you wanted to develop that code to automate the software for automotive body parts strength analysis.
Yes, sir.
Right? So can you elaborate a little more on this?
Sure, sir. So suppose we have the front bumper of a car, which was given to us by the original equipment manufacturer. He will send us the SolidWorks, the design of that thing to our company. Now, our company will send this to an engineer, and he will initially what the employees used to do, that he will put that in Hypermesh software and do the strength analysis or stress analysis, whatever be the requirement of the manufacturing company. Okay, but it was taking a lot of time. So what happened is, the solution that was given is, there is one language known as TCL/TK programming language. Using this language, we can write codes on it, and we can import this code from TCL/TK to Hypermesh software. And this code, once we run it in the backend, it will do the same analysis, like like meshing and all. Meshing was the main thing. So yes, sir, it will just replicate the manual thing in terms of automatic work,
So
in terms of program code.
Basically, your job was mainly related to like make this process faster of like
Yes, yes.
this whatever the work that you are doing in Hypermesh. Now you wanted to carry it out on TCL/TK, whatever you are telling, right?
Yes, sir.
So that the process of whole analysis of this strength analysis becomes fast. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
The main objective was to do it automatically.
Do it automatically. What is the meaning of that? Hypermesh will also do automatically, isn't it?
Sir, I will give you an example to explain it in easily. Suppose सर जैसे कोई हमने बॉडी पैनल लिया, अब उसका स्ट्रेंथ एनालिसिस करना है हमें सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू. तो जनरली आजकल की टेक्निक क्या है, हम एक फाइनाइट एलिमेंट मॉडल एनालिसिस करते हैं जनरली, जिसमें हमें मैशिंग करनी होती है. नाउ जो भी स्ट्रेंथ एनालिसिस है, वो सबसे ज्यादा डिपेंड करेगा कि वो मैशिंग जो है वो कितनी प्रॉपरली की गई है. ठीक है, तो अब अगर हम किसी ह्यूमन को बिठा दें वो मैशिंग करने के लिए, तो हो सकता है डिपेंडिंग ऑन द साइज ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट, यू विल टेक द होल डे और मे बी अ वीक ऑल्सो, क्योंकि द पार्ट्स आर वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स और बहुत बड़े बड़े पार्ट्स होते हैं. जैसे बॉडी पैनल एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट होता है, तो इट कैन टेक अ वीक ऑल्सो. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग दैट मैशिंग बाय अ ह्यूमन, वी कैन राइट अ कोड और वो ऑटोमेटिकली वो मैशिंग कर देगा, और वो बजाय एक हफ्ते के वो मे बी 5 आवर्स 6 आवर्स में वो सेम मैशिंग हो सकती है.
Okay.
So, Apurva, what do you think? How IOCL job profile will be different from your earlier job profile? Because I think that is also a different and something challenging and new creative job profile you are having in Satyam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. जैसा कि सर मैंने अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में भी कहा था कि मुझे नई चीजें सीखने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है.
Yes.
एंड ऑल्सो सर, जैसे उस समय 2018 में मेरा सोल एम एक्चुअली, मैं अपने स्कूल डे से 11-12 स्टैंडर्ड से आई वाज टुवर्ड्स जॉइनिंग IOCL, बट उसके लिए गेट एग्जामिनेशन देना होता है. सो बट इन 2018 व्हेन आई ग्रेजुएटेड, सर उस समय काफी ज्यादा अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट सिचुएशन तो थी ही. इस वजह से मैंने सत्यम वेंचर को उस समय ज्वाइन कर लिया था, क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑफर लेटर था इसका. बट मेरी ज्वाइनिंग जो थी सर वो दिसंबर 2018 में थी, और मेरी जो बीटेक कंप्लीट हुई दैट वाज इन जून 2018. सो दिस पीरियड ऑफ 6 months दैट आई गॉट फ्री, इसमें सर मैं हैदराबाद में ही जाके मैंने गेट की कोचिंग की थी सर, क्योंकि मेरी पोस्टिंग भी हैदराबाद ही मिली थी मुझे.
Okay.
अल्टीमेटली मेरा एम जो था वो मेरा IOCL को ज्वाइन करना था. Yes, sir.
See,
Yes,
the
sir.
basic question is, you're already working in a very good kind of profile, which many of the engineers would like to work for, right?
Sure.
For example, if you talk about this all of the strength analysis of body parts is a very kind of innovative field. In the sense, I think you may be knowing about it. To reduce the weight of the car, right?
Yes,
Normally, we go for reduction of the thickness of those body panels.
yes, sir.
And when you reduce the thickness of the body panels, we have many options of like strengthening it. Either you change the material properties or carry out
Yes,
some
sir,
kind
yes,
of
sir.
other kind of things, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
you are moving you want to move from a particular field which is very, I will say, it's a very innovative kind of challenging field,
Yes, sir.
to a field which is a very traditional, right? So
Okay.
I'm not able to relate this. So why is it so that you are moving from a good challenging where you will have a lot of work where innovation is involved to a traditional field? I don't think there's so much scope you are going to have of this innovation.
Sir, actually, I beg to differ, sir. Although, sir, IOCL is a very traditional company, and it has been almost 60 years since IOCL has been established. But we can't see कि IOCL में innovation नहीं हो रहा है, sir. IOCL में एक separate department है, which is known as R&D department, and IOCL के पास different types of जैसे suppose I'll give an example. There was FCC fluidized catalytic cracking system जो कि indigenously IOC ने develop किया है. So we can't say sir कि IOC में कोई development new innovation नहीं हो रहा है. So I think इस डायरेक्शन में सोच के और ये कहना कि मैं जो है एक न्यू एमर्जिंग फील्ड को छोड़कर एक ट्रेडिशनल फील्ड में आ रहा हूँ, ये थोड़ा सा सर गलत होगा मेरे ख्याल से.
So what if you are placed in the marketing department in IOCL?
Sir, marketing, sir.
Where most of the engineers, newly recruited engineers, mostly they are placed over there.
Sir, actually, sir, जैसा कि मैंने सर आपको बोला था कि since school days मेरा जो target था वो IOCL में join करने का था. And sir, also I have seen my father working in IOCL, and I know कि the kind of mental peace और जो financial stability मिलती है वो सर not only सर मैंने सुना है उसको but also मैंने feel किया है. So sir, any day IOCL will be my first priority. I can say that with a 100% guarantee, sir.
Okay, so what else do you like other than this financial stability, which you think that you are attracted to this particular job profile in IOCL?
Sir, जैसे कि during my training in IOCL, I saw that sir, लोग मतलब there was some different kind of there was very friendly atmosphere, sir, which I observed during my 1 month training. And even the seniors up to the GM, DGM levels, they used to interact with us with so much of friendly nature that I think that it is rarely present in some organization. As I have already informed you about my work experience in Satyam Venture, so I can really compare that. Maybe I'm not able to explain that, but I know within myself that IOCL will be the best job, the best company, and the best career provider for me, sir.
Okay, so what are you doing presently, by the way?
So presently, I am doing my master's in design engineering in IIT Bombay.
Sorry, can you repeat? We could not hear you.
So currently I am doing my master's in design engineering from IIT Bombay, sir. I took admission in
IIT
2020
Bombay.
only.
Okay, so that means again you will be leaving the IIT Bombay, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
and will be wasting one very important seat.
Sir, actually, honestly speaking, sir, I hope
Precious
that you are able to listen to me properly.
seat, you can say, at IIT Bombay. Yes.
Yeah. So as I was saying that sir, actually before my GATE results also, I knew this that I'll be joining one because sir जो PSUs के जो इंटरव्यू होते हैं they are in the month of June and July and जो IITs के जो सीट भरे जाते हैं they happen in the month of April or something but अभी इस साल कोरोना की वजह से भी कोई बहुत ज्यादा सिचुएशन change हुआ है the admissions have done were done previously than the PSU interview so at the back of my mind sir there was this thought कि the seat will go vacant but I also think sir कि there are winter admissions coming and I have also heard this from my faculty members that IIT जो बच्चों को induct करता है they are वो कुछ extra बच्चों को ले लेता है because they also know कि some people will be leaving you know the course in between to join PSUs so I think sir वो vacant नहीं जाएगी seat and some deserving candidate will definitely get it.
Okay. Vishal sir.
Yes.
Please.
Apurv, tell me something about your favorite subjects.
Sir, my favorite subjects will be fluid mechanics and thermodynamics and IC engines.
IC engine, thermodynamics, and fluid mechanics.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
My first question is to you. What do you know about the manometers? What are manometers? Yes, Apurva, I'm audible too.
Repeat your question.
Yes, Apurva, I'm audible to you.
Yes. Yes, sir. Now it is very clear.
Okay, okay. So tell me something about manometers. What are manometers?
मैनोमीटर सर जैसे कि सर मैं मैनोमीटर्स में एक कॉलम स्ट्रक्चर होता है जिसके अंदर जनरली मर्क्यूरी फ्लूइड होता है नाउ जब हम वन एंड ऑफ द मैनोमीटर को किसी फ्लूइड फ्लो में डालते हैं देन ड्यू टू दैट फ्लो और काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द फ्लूइड this mercury will rise in the manometric column. So this rise in the manometric column can give us a value about the pressure of the flow.
Okay. How this piezometer is different from simply word manometer? We use one word for also some kind of pressure measuring device, that is piezometer. What is that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So piezometer actually, so I have heard about it, and I also know that piezometer, जो piezometric head देता है, it is a sum of pressure head plus the gravitational head. But sir, मुझे उसका diagram नहीं याद है, तो I won't be able to explain it, sir, right now.
Okay. No, you cannot define what is a piezometer. Is it a manometer only?
Sorry, sir, मुझे याद नहीं है, sir.
Okay, okay. My next question is to you. Can you define what is the significance of Reynolds number? And what is
Yes, sir.
Reynolds number?
So Reynolds number, basically it is a ratio of inertia force by viscous force. So if there is a flow happening and there is significant amount of viscous force over there as compared to other forces, then in that case Reynolds number acts as a parameter to compare different types of flows. Reynolds number का जो formula होता है that is given by rho v g by mu.
Rho v g by mu.
Reynolds number का सर फॉर्मूला होता है it is rho v rho v d square by mu. Yes, sir. It is rho v d square by mu.
Are you sure about that? Rho v d square by mu.
No, sir.
Okay, it is a rho with d by mu, not d square.
Rho by d by mu. Okay, sir. Fine.
Okay, what is that d in that case? What is d?
So d is the characteristic length of the whatever part that we are considering in which the flow is happening. In case of pipes, it is equal to the internal diameter.
So how we decide ki this is the characteristic dimension? How we decide?
So characteristic dimension, there is separate formula for characteristic dimension, which is given by volume by surface area, or surface area by perimeter. Perimeter, the weighted parameter. So that formula we can use, and we can find out the characteristic length dimension value.
So can you apply that formula for flow inside pipe?
Yes, sir.
So apply and tell me what value of the characteristic dimension you are getting.
I'll just put it here on. Also surface area. Surface area. Sir, I'm getting it as L.
L.
The length. Yeah.
Yes, but you are saying ki diameter is the characteristic dimension for pipe.
In this case, sir, if we write it as surface area by parameter, then surface area will be pi dl, and parameter will be pi d. So yes, it is coming out to be L only, sir.
But you said that na ki Apurva ki the diameter is the characteristic dimension for the flow inside pipe. Yes or no?
Actually, sir, the formulas that I have used during the theory practice, I used diameter only in that, as far as I remember.
Okay. Okay, fine. Apurv, my next question is to you. Can you define entropy? What is entropy?
Sir, entropy is basically given. It is, sir. It is given by dq by t, and where dq is the heat transferred between the surrounding and the system, and t is the temperature of the system, basically.
So temperature is constant. What do you think?
So temperature is not constant actually. We can write the formula for dq and then we can integrate it to find the net change in entropy.
Okay. So how this entropy is different from entropy generation?
Okay. So, sir, entropy generation is always positive, and entropy generation can be zero, but only in case of reversible processes. Okay, but when we talk about entropy, entropy, sir, it can be zero also, it can be positive also, and it can be negative also. Entropy change, if I'm saying.
Okay. How we measure suppose entropy generation for any system? How we can measure?
Entropy generation, sir, we use this entropy generation, right? Okay. So suppose, sir, there is an irreversible process, and it is going from process point 1 to 2. Now, what we will do, we will arrange a reversible process between the 2 points, between the same 2 points, and we will calculate the entropy change. Okay, now there will be some entropy change in the irreversible process also. Now the difference between these two entropy changes will give us the entropy generated.
But entropy change will be same for both reversible and irreversible between the same states. If any two processes, one is reversible, one is irreversible, if they are happening between two fixed same states, and states are same. So what
Yes,
do you
sir.
think? Entropy change will be same?
So entropy change, yes, it has to be same because of course entropy is a end state function. I mean,
Okay.
entropy change is a state function.
Okay.
What I am trying to say, sir, okay. So can you please repeat your question? I can think better if you just repeat
You are
it.
thinking in right direction actually. Just try to relate. You are saying ki that difference of dq by t we will take.
Uh,
So is entropy change will be same if there are two processes, one is reversible, one is irreversible between same states, the
yes,
entropy
sir.
change will be same. But what do you think, dq by t will be same for two different processes? dq
No, sir. DQ by
dq
T won't be same.
dq will not be same na.
Yes, sir.
And what is that difference between dq by t reversible and dq by t irreversible? What is the difference?
Uh, it is nothing but delta is generated.
Yes, that is delta is generation only.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you know about Gauss-Stodola equation? What is that? Where we use it? This equation?
Diastole equation.
Yes.
Sir, as I said, I have heard about it, but I can't recall it right now.
Okay. Yes, Saklari sir, you can ask some of the questions.
Okay,
Yes.
so of course, tell us something special about Mathura.
Sir, sir, it is the birthplace of Lord Krishna, sir. It is world famous for that, and it is also famous for its sweets. And sir, our MP, which is like the famous Bollywood actress Hema Malini, she is our MP. So due to that reason, also it is very famous. And
A lot of
sir, we
development
have
maybe going
Mathura
on.
refinery in Mathura. Excuse me, sir.
So a lot of development may be going on already in Mathura because Hemwal is MP from there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have seen. If I talk about myself, in my personal opinion, then yes, sir, there is a lot of development going on in Mathura in terms of infrastructure.
And what sweet you are talking about? Anything particular sweet that is famous from Mathura?
Sir, we call it peda, sir.
Okay.
मथुरा के पेड़े बहुत प्रसिद्ध है सर.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. एंड सर जैसा कि मैं अपने आंसर में बोल रहा था, मथुरा में एक IOCL की रिफाइनरी भी है जो कि 1982 में एस्टैब्लिश हुई थी. एंड यस सर, इट रिसीव और सर अगर उसके बारे में डिटेल. यस सर. यस सर.
Mathura or what?
Sir, your question was not clear actually.
Your father is posted in Mathura refinery or somewhere else?
No, sir. He started his career from that refinery. Later on, he got transferred over here in Paradeep.
Okay.
Yes.
And so, what step Mathura refinery has taken in order to avoid the negative impact on the Taj Mahal in the nearby city?
Sir, actually, as we know, sir, जो सारी रिफाइनरीज में एक तो BS6 एमिशंस के तहत काफी जो है काम किया गया है. तो एंड ऑल्सो वी नो कि IOC वाज द फर्स्ट रिफाइनरी, फर्स्ट ऑयल कंपनी जिसने अपनी सारी रिफाइनरीज में BS6 फ्यूल की अवेलेबिलिटी निश्चित की थी बिफोर द डेडलाइन व्हिच वाज 1 April. सो दैट इज वन ऑफ इट्स अचीवमेंट. ऑल्सो सर, मथुरा रिफाइनरी को बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग रिफाइनरी इन एशिया का अवार्ड मिला है इसी साल 2020 में. और because of its close proximity to Taj Mahal, sir, there have been immense investment in terms of plant जिसमें हम सल्फर रिकवरी पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं एंड SO2 emissions पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं सर.
Okay. So can you let us know some of your strengths?
Sir, strengths, sir, as I said in my introduction, sir, that I am a quick learner, sir, and whenever suppose I am giving some work, then I try to plan it in a little bit of I try to plan it little bit ahead of time, so that उससे क्या होता है सर, उससे अगर कोई डेडलाइन होती है तो मैं काम को जल्दी खत्म कर सकता हूँ and it gives me an upper hand in compared to other people also. ऑल्सो सर मेरे को उससे थोड़ा सा टाइम मैनेजमेंट की वजह से मेरे पास अगर कुछ टाइम बच जाता है तो उससे क्या होता है, वर्क रिलेटेड अगर कोई काम है जो मुझे नहीं आता है तो आई कैन लर्न दैट ऑल्सो. ऑल्सो सर मुझे लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करना काफी अच्छा लगता है, डिफरेंट कल्चरल बैकग्राउंड से, तो उससे भी मेरी नॉलेज काफी बढ़ती है अबाउट द पीपल एंड अबाउट देयर कल्चर ऑल्सो सर.
So
So
are you
that is about
introvert
my
or
strengths.
extrovert?
Excuse me, sir.
Are you introvert or extrovert?
I don't know the exact definition of introvert or extrovert, sir, but I think I can easily communicate with other people. And if I attend some function or public gathering, I can mingle with other people quite easily, sir. There's no hesitation about that.
Any weakness?
So weakness, if I talk about, actually sir, कोई यदि मेरे पास कोई कुछ काम लेके आता है, then मुझे उसको ना बोलने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. जनरली जैसे जैसे एक बार सर वंस इन कॉलेज व्हाट हैपेंड, नेक्स्ट डे हमारा फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स का एग्जाम था, एंड एक्चुअली हमारे एग्जाम्स जो होते हैं वो स्लॉट्स में होते हैं. तो मेरा एग्जाम हो चुका था और मेरा रूममेट का एग्जाम नहीं अगले दिन था. तो क्योंकि सर वो फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में इतना अच्छा नहीं था प्रॉब्ली, तो फिर रात में मैंने उसको पढ़ाया था. बट परसों मेरा फिर थर्मो का एग्जाम था, तो मैं उसमें फिर थोड़ा सा मेरे को नेक्स्ट डे मुझे थोड़ा वर्क प्रेशर मतलब प्रेशर हो गया था, स्ट्रेस हो गया था. बट अल्टीमेटली सर दोनों का एग्जाम अच्छा हुआ फिर. तो मेन पॉइंट ये है सर कि मतलब
Face
उसको
this pressure situation in the IUCL also, because you cannot say no and every boss will just try to throw his work on you.
Yeah, sir. But actually, what I have understood in recent with my experience is that if I try to divide my work in my team members among my team members, it can really help with this.
So I think now we can give him the feedback.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please go ahead. Then
Yes, sir.
Apurv, you're ready with your final interview. You will. This is my. Because I can predict you will perform well. But in this interview, you have you did some basic mistakes, है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Related to Reynolds number, related to piezometer, related to characteristic dimension, lots of mistakes, है ना?
Yes,
These
sir,
are
yes, sir.
not I'm expecting from you, है ना? So Reynolds number is nothing but that is the inertia force by viscous force, and it is rho v d only. Initially you are saying rho v g, and then you are saying rho v d square, है ना? And then
Yes,
finally you go to the answer that is rho v d by mu. That you can correct. Characteristic dimension for inside flow, whether it is a pipe or it is a duct or any shape. This will be 4a by p, not volume by area, some volume by parameter, some surface area you are taking. That is not. That is a very basic, simple thing. Now we take it this 4a by p. Okay, where a is the cross sectional area, not the surface area.
Okay.
Okay, so if you will put here like 4 into pi by 4 d square by the wetted perimeter, that is pi d, suppose the pipe is completely filled. In most of the cases, when fluid is flowing in pipe under pressure, obviously, when fluid is flowing in pipe under pressure, the obviously it will touch entire surface of the pipe. So the wetted parameter will be pi d only. Okay, but in some of the cases, if fluid is not flowing under pressure, in that case, we will take wetted parameter. Okay, so if you will take 4a by p, then you will get a d only. ठीक है, और वहां पे आप फंस गए थे ना, तो वो नहीं होनी चाहिए सिचुएशन, क्योंकि बहुत ही सिंपल चीज है. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पता नहीं होगा, यू नो दिस बेसिक थिंग्स, बट एट द टाइम ऑफ इंटरव्यू यू नीड टू रिकॉल, है ना. सो फर्स्ट थिंक फॉर ए व्हाइल, ठीक है, एंड देन ओनली आंसर. I asked you Reynolds number and very quickly you have answered, sir, it is rho v g by mu. Because एक बार गलत आंसर कर दिया तो तब आप उलझ गए उसमें, है ना. So take your time,
Yes, sir.
take your time and then only answer. ठीक है. Same with the characteristic dimension also, and same with piezometer. What is piezometer? It's a very simple ordinary tube, na. It's a vertical tube. ठीक है. Manometer, it may be of any, like it may be differential manometer, it may be U2 manometer. ठीक है. There will be some kind of limbs, na, and generally there are two limbs. One is connected to the point where you want to measure pressure, and second limb is open to the atmosphere. And piezometer is a simple vertical tube, which is actually used to measure the small liquid pressure only. Okay, why liquid pressure? Because when there is a pressure fluid which is flowing in a pipe, there will be some rise of the fluid into that piezometric tube, and we will measure its level, its height. Okay, so we define pressure by rho gh only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो ये very simple basic mistakes you did in this particular interview related to these things, है ना. Gauss-Seidel equation also you have not defined, that is irreversibility equal to T naught delta S.
Yes, yes.
You know,
सर वही रिवाइज करूंगा एक बार मैं दोबारा
that is related to entropy generation only, where T naught is your atmospheric temperature, what you can say delta S generation, है ना?
Yes,
It is
yes.
very famous equation which you use to find out the irreversibility. Okay, so revise all things, but I am getting this expression ki you are a sincere candidate, and even then, even if you are, if I if it is in my hand ki I can offer you this particular seat, so I will offer, because I am getting that impression ki you are a sincere candidate, and you will work hard, है ना? That is impression I'm getting. But technically what I can say ki you're not answered most of the question. Okay, but that is my perspective, but that will be different for different person.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, yes, sir.
So from my side, what I will say ki revise all basic things, revise all things, and your delivery is good. You will not fare difficult in that, but take your time and then only answer. It is
Yes.
you can say it is not to be so much quick ki you will answer wrongly. That is not actually right now. So that is suggestion from my side. Take your time and then only answer. Think for a while. ठीक है, लिख के देखो उसको. You are having pen paper in front of you. Just
Yes.
In that case you will be able to perform well. ठीक है. So remaining all Saklani sir will discuss with you.
Okay.
Okay, so Apoorv, what I think you have answered those most of the questions that I asked on the right lines. That is how it should be. Some answers, if possible, you can modify, but the way you express it doesn't seems like okay, it's odd, right? You're able to express it in a proper format. For example, I asked you that presently you're doing missing you're having seat at IIT Bombay, so you are wasting that particular seat. So if you ask me, then I think we should not give the reason like that since most of the people, those who are having like those who will get shifted to PSUs, ultimately they will leave and therefore they will induct a few more seats, additional seats and all those. So if it is possible for you to avoid that, right? That explanation, so it's better. But the way you explained, I think it was not something like odd. But I think you can change your little explanation if possible. Like you can say that because of the COVID situation, right? So this recruitment didn't took place. So obviously, if I had got the opportunity, then obviously I may have directly joined. But since now I'm over here, now this is situation is coming up, then I am left out with no choice and all that. So it is not because of me that I wanted. I'm just making this seat falling vacant or something, but because of this situation. And obviously, even if I had to leave the IIT Bombay, then obviously I have got the opportunity to learn something new in that particular system, right? So something that way if it is possible. But since you gave the logic initially that every year this is how it happens, that first IIT is induct and then after that PSU recruitment take place, and then thereafter most of the people leave it. So, but you went on to justify that okay, I also inquired from professor and professor said something. So I think try if possible if you can just frame a better answer for that in a positive light. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, but even if whatever you had answered, because you could link it very properly, so I didn't find it something very odd, right? But like a candidate we interviewed earlier, almost on the similar lines, he gave the explanation, but he was not able to link those things. So we advised him not to go that way, right? Because sometimes the way you express the things, even though that may not be that much okay, but if you express it very well, so it doesn't go in a negative sense, okay? And the rest, I don't think I could not find anything. Yes, one thing somebody mentioned about the one thing that was related to when you moved on to Hyderabad and you started preparation, right? You mentioned about the coaching. So try to avoid the term coaching. Everybody knows that obviously you may have prepared from somewhere.
Yes.
So just don't try to put the words, okay, I started preparation when I moved on to there because I had a dream of like joining PSU and all that. So that way you can read. So I think you are ready for it, right? If you can make small changes, technical part, just brush up the basic part at least, right? That is required. Very in-depth is not required, but obviously basic level it is expected. They could even ask you about your project also, which we didn't ask you about, right? Or what project you had done over there. Most of the things may be hovering around your like experience that you are having at Santia Venture. That is how the things will go in the actual interview also, okay? And they may also ask you something related to your this because you're already over there in IIT Bombay. So what you are studying and what you are learning something new. and all that. Okay, so just be prepared with those. So I think you're ready for that. Okay,
Okay,
if you're in a sound footing, go with a positive mind, and I think you'll be okay. So anything else you want to ask, Apu?
सर जैसे कि ना मैं सोच रहा था ये सेम क्वेश्चन कि अभी मैं एमटेक कर रहा हूँ और सीट वैकेंट चल जाएंगे, ये पूछा जा सकता है मुझे। तो
हाँ।
मैंने इसके बारे में एक चीज ये भी सोचा था सर कि जैसे अगर जैसे एक बीच में गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से एक सजेशन आया था कि जो सीओएपी पोर्टल होता है वहां पे बजाय पीएसयू डिले करने के अपना प्रोसेस को, अगर वो भी वहां पे जो है एक ऑप्शन डाल दें तो जिसको पीएसयू चाहिए वो पीएसयू पे क्लिक करेगा, तो और वो उसके लिए फिर बाकी पीएसयू और बाकी आईआईटीज के सारे ऑप्शन चले जाएंगे। तो उस केस में हर बच्चे को एक सीट मिल ही जाएगी इन दैट केस। तो लेकिन वो जो है पीएसयू खुद ही जो है मतलब नहीं आती है वहां पे, जबकि गवर्नमेंट ने कह रखा है।
आपने अपनी तरफ से नहीं बोलना है ये, बट अगर आप क्या कर सकते हो कि थोड़ा सा अगर लेट अस से अगर आपने एक्सप्लेनेशन ऐसे बन गई, मान लिया तो वहां पर ये कहना पड़ गया कि आप तो ये बोलोगे ना अब ये तो प्रैक्टिकल सिचुएशन है, मे बी PSUs and the IITs have to come together and something they have to sort it out because every year this situation जो आती है,
Yes sir.
whether they have to go with the IITs and all that. So I think आप केवल ऐसे रेफरेंस दोगे कि what I have I have came to know that some kind of these suggestions were also made and I think PSUs and they that may be discussing. So we are not sure about that, but that is how it is. तो इसमें आप अपनी तरफ से मत बताना कि आप ये कर रहे हो, हाँ what you know that you can let them know because ये situation ऐसी नहीं है कि आपके लिए ही आई है।
Yes sir, वही।
तो हर साल ऐसी सिचुएशन क्रॉप इन होती है, तो that way you can, अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है तो आप बोलो कि
even IUCL also
over a period of time definitely some kind of improvement has to be carried out. How it is to be sorted out वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है ना मेरे हाथ में। That is they may be done with PSUs and they may be trying to sort it out how to do that, but this is the practical situation, that is how it is. Because like I am a serious candidate for PSUs and obviously I would in any case I was preparing for only for PSUs. So if this situation may not have merged and that too also COVID also and this delay may not have taken place. So obviously I may not have joined because साथ में आप ऐड कर सकते हो we were not sure whether the PSUs will hire or not.
yes
We were uncertain. आपको क्या पता था कि अभी इंटरव्यूज हो जाएंगे? When at the time of when you were applying उस वक्त तो ये लग रहा था कि इस पूरा साल जो है वो होगा ही नहीं। तो बात उनके ऊपर फेंक दो ना कि हमें तो ये भी पता नहीं था कि होगा कि नहीं। हाँ, had it been clear that okay for 2-3 months we have to wait, then it's okay. But we were not sure what is going to happen. So in that uncertain situation, I think we have no choice.
Yes. ये बात सही आंसर है।
तो एक अपने तरफ से एक व्यू पॉइंट रख दिया, बाकी उनको पता है वो तो सारी चीजें। Okay. Okay, Apu. So I think it was okay. So go ahead with the positive mind. Expressive ho up. It's okay. All everything seems to be right. Brush up your concepts and all those things that we have told. And all the best, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
okay Apurv, best of luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you can leave Apurv now.
Yes, sir. I'm doing that.